Today on the workbench we have a PlayStation 4. This is in for HDMI port replacement. Customer is aware that the port is damaged. They said that they had it on a wall mount and it got knocked off or something. But I mean, I wish, is there a way I can show you how, is that gonna focus? It's not. Let me try to show you on a different camera. It's so bent out of shape. Look at how this is supposed to be flush on the board and it's bent up. And then you can see all those pins are pushed in, all but one of them it looks like on that side. And then on that side they're all pushed in or bent up. And look at this. Look at all those pins. I just can't even imagine what happened to cause that kind of damage. I can't visualize how knocking it out would cause such severe damage. But nonetheless, this is a pretty straightforward repair. In the world of micro soldering, HDMI ports are among the easiest as long as you have the right method and skill set. I'm going to show you my method. Now you have to not mind my messy floor where we drop bad parts and whatnot, but what I want to show you is this mount. This is a camera mount, and what I do is this slides in and out, so I can just slide it out of the way, and then when I need it to heat underneath a board, I can take my hot air gun and put it right there, see? And I'll do it with the nozzle off, and I can just position it exactly where I want it, and it's like a third hand. I don't need to hold the hot air gun. This mount here will do it for me, and then I can just focus with two hands on my soldering work, and you'll see in the video how that takes place. So first and foremost, you'll see this metal tube here. This is my fume extractor. I don't want to breathe in anything that's coming off of this board, solder fumes or flux fumes or any of that. This goes straight out my wall there. I use an inline air duct fan, and it pulls out all the air. And so this hose I can move around. I put it within 6 to 8 inches of where I'm soldering, and out goes all the fumes. This is very easily done while the heat's blowing underneath. I'm going to use my micro pen and just put some solder and sweep it across. As soon as it heats up, I'll make sure I get some on each of these. Okay, if it bridges like that, that's no problem. Just means I need more flux so that the solder can separate. That looks good. Then, while it's all hot, I'm going to take my replacement port and I'm just going to drop it in. And I'm always going to put more flux in, because flux is going to help all that solder attach to the pins, and it's going to make my anchor holes flood evenly. Then I'm just going to tap this with my tweezers to get it in the position I want, and I'm going to let that flow for just a second. And then I pull the heat back. Oh, I guess you can't see it. This arm here, you see? I just pull it away. It was underneath it, and then I pull it away. Not underneath my desk, obviously. And you can see my fume extractor working. And then once it's cooled down, I'll clean it up and we'll be good to go. Here you can plainly see how frankly perfect the soldering job looks. Come in with a brush and put the IPA down, clean up all that flux. I use what flux do I use? Amtech. It's the Amtech 213. A lot of people like the 556. 213 cleans so much easier, and there's nothing that the 556 does that the 213 can't do. So I'm almost exclusively with the 213. Now I'll use cheaper Kingbo flux for areas that have nice, easy, open to clean areas, because it's a lot cheaper than Amtech. But when I want to be cleaning flux in between like these pins or these little components here, the Amtech 213 is 100% where it's at. So you can see it cleans up pretty good. Now I just put this back together and we'll test it. All right, folks, this is the moment of truth. Now, I'm perfectly aware that by now there are probably 1,000 HDMI videos, name your console, PS4 being one of them. And so this is not necessarily a super helpful video in the regard of how to do an HDMI port. But hopefully, seeing a little bit of my setup and me explaining my technique and showing you how easy it could be versus the wealth of other how-to videos on this topic, hopefully you find that helpful. I have the PS4 back together minus the casing, and I'm going to press the power button right here, and we should have video pop up on the screen there imminently. There it goes. So, another successful repair. If you found any of it helpful, drop a comment, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. All of that helps the channel and will encourage me to do more videos. Thanks for watching.